If you have watched me for any good amount of time here on YouTube, some of you will remember that I've always said mistakes are your best teacher. The best way to learn is from a mistake well made. And if you saw my recent video where I showed you my lemon cake fail, my first thought with that one was, well, this is definitely not a light and fluffy lemon cake, but it is surely a close replica of a thick and chewy blondie. So here we are turning life's lemons into lemon blondies with another easy one bowl mix. Now I am mixing this one in the food processor, but that's totally extra and unnecessary because a large bowl and a quick hand whisk will be more than sufficient for this recipe. Into a greased and parchment lined 8" by 8" pan it goes, and 20 minutes in a preheated 350° Fahrenheit oven is perfection. I've mixed up a lemon glaze with confectioner's sugar and fresh squeezed lemon juice. And if you're thinking, no way, this is way too sweet for me, let me set you straight because these are not. I was actually really surprised by how not sweet these are. Believe me, I was bracing for sugar shock, especially with the lemon sugar glaze on top. But seriously, these are just right. Thick and chewy and bursting with lemon blondies for the win. Go grab the principal recipe and all the tips for success at GretchensVeganBakery.com. Thanks for checking me out here, and if you're new to my channel, I hope that you'll subscribe. And be sure to watch the full-length lemon cake video where I show you why it failed and how to fix it. So if the sciencey stuff is your thing, you'll want to see that one. All right, everyone, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.